Okay, so we've called this section the other stuff because, well, I guess there is so much other stuff. And I admit I sort of cringe a little bit when I see articles and courses that are like, well, become an expert in digital marketing in 3 easy lessons or something like that, because there is a lot to think about, and there's a lot of different areas. What we've really set out to do within this in this webinar from the start is really not to do that, but to sort of just try and equip you with the knowledge that you need to make some more informed decisions about your digital marketing and SEO in particular. But yeah, there is a lot of other stuff. I digress. So what else is there? I mean, the short version. Um, yeah, um, there's really you can be broken when you're talking about digital. It can really be broken into four main areas. I mean, you've got paid, earned, and owned, and then arguably sort of shared as well is a kind of another spin-off of that. So it's sort of understanding that there are different things that do that. I mean, you know, there's all sorts of different paid ads, for example. I mean, we've just been focusing on Google AdWords today, but I mean, there's sponsored posts on Facebook and tweets. I mean, there's different native advertising, things like Outbrain. Um, if we look at own media, I mean, it's been very much about content, which is pretty true. That also covers social a bit. Yeah, I mean, there's just a big there's a big ecosystem out there. So understanding getting understanding it on a basic level and how big it is, and I suppose um, if you're sort of trying to set out to do it all yourself, or you're trying to hire someone who you're hoping will do it all for you, just understanding that to do it all and to do it well, I mean, there is a pretty broad scope there. So it's pays to focus on a few things at a time. The long version is I love this diagram by Hallam. It's just sort of got the ecosystem sort of drawn out as a in a fun way as a subway map. So it sort of it covers social media. I mean, there's crossover to things like internal CRM and lead generation and sort of and that side of things, personalization, your website, the role of analytics in there. Um, the list goes on, but that's a good one to consider.